A few moments later.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. Big up everybody. Big up my fan base. Is it? Big up all the supporters. Yeah, man. I don't know what things said. So look here now. You don't know the controversy thing. Masicka and the goat. With them dress up in a crop top and jean shorts. You don't know. She goat. So you don't know. This a flyer a boom boom party. You see me? I think I see Ding Dong. I don't see Spice. Masicka there. See? Alright, I'm going to play the video now. I'm going to see what I go on. You see me? So look here now. We're going to show you what go on in the video and what go on at the party. Because this is the thing, you know. It wasn't a planting. But look here now. That same brother that will carry up the goat, him know Masicka. Masicka know them is a street youth where, because of the youth, the intro, Tyrant video, music video. You don't know Masicka Tyrant song. See? So, them know. That's why I could have passed the security go up at the VIP with them there. Because them know him. You understand? But I don't know how Masicka security them or whatever make the man forward up with goat, bro. And the goat, it's like weird though. You're just up a goat like a female, bro, for what? For make Masicka mate with the goat or something, brother. That's a madness. But look at now, we're going to play the video, people, and make you see what I go on. So you see him with the hat right there, so. Seeing? Bro, I don't know. I tell the people what the man them do. The man them dress up the goat a yard. Seeing? And then carry it in a one car. Or what them do, them carry the goat in a car. Cause look here now. This are all way out of Port Royal, this, you know. So far from outside of Kingston. You understand? So, or what them could have do too, them could have the clothes ready. And them get it from somebody over Port Royal or something. But I feel like over Kingston. Them borrow goat something. Them do with the goat. You understand? So look at now. String them on the goat and now. I put him, I go put the goat over the little fence, metal fence. So the brother, the Rasta brother there beside him, him a the one where you go see with the demon mask. But me don't know this rubbing head with goat and demon face. I guess they might try Mark Tamili or something. But brother, that look good, brother. You understand? So they might go around now. So they might go around at the entrance of the VIP. You understand? Let me skip out this now. Yeah. Watch out now. You see, look, if you look over the right, see boom boom right there, so seeing, you're gonna see that brother there was masked up beside boom boom. Him look like him part of the security team. But him a call the brother with the goat. You understand? Look what I go on. See one they were masked up with. Bro, you know why the crowd now wild up here, so? Masicka now no style, bro. Like, the man don't know for perform, bro. Bro, you draw for them type of song there, brother. Brother, you just come out of a clash. That's how me see it, you know, bro. Yo, that man don't know streets, you know. People, when Tommy Lee are forward out, you know. Tommy Lee forward with this song when he use this Masicka get the biggest forward, you know. Biggest forward. Every stage show Tommy Lee go up on, him bring up with this song them for Masicka. Get him forward, bro. That's why the crowd looks so. Cause this a man, brother, you just a come out of war, brother. If Tommy Lee out there this year and get forward, do the same thing, brother. You understand? It's like, you know, no streets, dog. Watch him ask him man if I eat that. Bro, yo, brother. Yo, that youth are different. See, security brother, yeah, I tell him, see him, watch out now. See him, I tell him, say, you must carry a goat. So Masicka see goat a forward long time. He must see it, I might look over, see him turn him back. Watch out now, watch out now. Brother, you no really not dead for that, bro. No, brother, you should have not drop his system song them. You should have not drop them song they forget. Brother, this man don't know. Yo, you tell that you with your bro. Me no know wrong with him, dog. The man just, yo, when it comes to performance, dog, the man had some wrong song choice, brother. Watch ya now. Look what got me now, people. Cause look ya. Anyhow, the goat never drop. Masicka get knocked because him and the goat would have there face to face. Cause I know said that brother you would have hold him up there with the goat. You understand? So look you now, him see the goat, a be laugh Masicka laugh. That's what I say, yo, that man, I understand, man, make him man thing look like some shabby thing, brother. You understand? Watch it. You see, look on the hand there, so. You know, see, a Masicka bridging this, you know? A whole, the man, and a whole goat, yo, that the man, yo. Look what I want, people. So look here now. See it there? The goat drop. Look. You see a man a hold on for Masicka and look how him wrap around Masicka and this. See there? See there? See my old Masicka and that arm this. Masicka gone. Let me pull it back. I'm gonna see what I want. Alright. Look. Let me pause it right here. So see there now? You see if the goat never drop, this would not happen right here, so brother. I feel like if the goat never drop, Masicka would have still up there perform. Because look here, the moment him see the goat and him a laugh and the goat a forward up, if him never wanted it, him would have come down. Him would have forward down a long time. But through the goat got drop now, him just step off of the sound box. You understand? So look here now. Goat got drop. And that make him move. Cause see him grin him teeth over there, so you know. Watch it now. See goat there, so cause look at them train the goat. So it's like boom boom I tell him say yo. Just ease one side look at there. And he must say yo to Masicka say yo. I street youth. So look there now. Tell me now, brother. What is the goat in my youth? Man, him have a goat in a shorts, people. Shorts. Watch it. Watch it. Can't believe this, bro. Shorts, brother. This look like some crop top business. You understand? So look here now. These are the mass, brother, you know. Right? So this means, I think this, they must say a Tamili, because you don't know Tamili a demon. But what happened after this, it nah make no sense. Because this make it look like, say, Masicka say him are the goat, and Tamili are the demon. Make it look like, say, Masicka and Tamili are rub head together. Just look where brother with the master go, because he might represent Tamili where they want to say. Watch it now. Watch it. What that, brother? The goat look like Tala Likali, man. Yo, you know, brother, dog. Yo, me no know, brother. Masicka, dog. Me no know, brother. Me no know. Oh, you make the man she be that be a sting, say right, yes, brother. What is this? The man have a demon mask and a rub up with the goat like, yo, watch it. So see him tell him say, yo, move off right there. So him want Masicka come perform, you understand? So see him go call for Masicka, you know. So Masicka hesitating, you understand? Because Masicka in her mind, you know, people, he must say, yo, you know, want to go back up then man him forward with the goat again. So that's why him did that hesitate. It look like them must want him to, oh, them want Masicka sing suicide note. I'm telling you people, Masicka feel away you know. That's why you see him take so long for forward back. Him feel away. Me I tell you that, but him have to laugh it off. You understand? Him have to laugh it off, but him feel away about it. Cause him a perform and then him say man I carry goat. And the reason why even this happen right here, so you know people, is because the brother where you see there so is a street youth. Like when him man in a party, that things that drugs him depend. Him do this at every and the way the people in my father so are the streets. Boom boom represent the streets. So look here now. That's why them the man they can forward up with goat. You understand? Because a boom boom party. So that's why you see them could have reached up there with the goat. But look here now. Masicka kind of feel a type of way. Because them a sham out the thing. And him no want to in a early part of the year end up. But it done gone bad already, brother. It done gone bad already. As me say people, if the goat never drop, Masicka would move. Me I tell you, him wouldn't move. Cause when the man followed up with the goat and the goat not drop yet, him still there they stand up. The moment you look down and you laugh, you should have say, yo, boom boom, no, none of that. No one, none of that. You still there laugh. So it shows you, bro, you entertain the thing to brother. Brother, it crowd dead like anti-folded, brother. Bro, the man, yo, dog, Masicka, brother. Dog, you don't know. Yo, that brother, I don't know how. If I saw you go move, brother, it not gonna make no sense, bro. Bro, you can't rock one crowd. Eh? You can't rock one crowd, brother. And that more I know. Bro, you just a come out of a lyrical clash, bro. Seeing? Like, this are the first time where the whole dancer's piece for in your career, we are focused on you. Like actually focused on you in a clash. You understand? This are the first time in a dancehall for you in your career where the attention is upon you, bro. It depends on Tamilino, but what I mean, the attention depends on you based on the clash, right? And regularly, yeah, you would not drop a song, but you have other artists where rock the place same way. But this in the clash, the whole Jamaica pre-war going with you and Tammy Lee, brother. And you are tell me, say, after the war and you forward, you're not even reel up the crowd, bro. Drop one of the song, them one of the diss song, them, brother. VNR or Death Roar System, one of the song, them, bro. You couldn't drop or wake up. Bro, you know, in a style, brother. You make Tammy Lee go in a club this year. You make him go big stage show this year with song and everything. Brother, you know, in a style, dog. You know, see right now, come, she go take it, bro. Right now, I go take it place. Me I tell you people, I the goat take the show. I know Masicka. I the goat. You understand? The goat take the performance, bro. A first in our history this. You understand? I the goat, bro. For sure, brother, man now move the crowd, bro. Out of the video, the only thing people are talking about, the goat. Right there, so. You understand? The goat. So, I tell you that, I don't know what kind of team Masicka have, brother. Cause this, brother, I don't know what this, dog. I mean, the man them shibby that be a thing, dog. I tell you. I tell you, brother. I don't know what this. I some joke thing, these people. I tell you, some joke thing, this. In a 2026, the man them dress up a goat I carry beside Masicka. And Masicka see when the brother carry the goat. And you know say nothing to him, man. Either they laugh. Oh, you know, brother, you know move like a crocodile, bro. You understand? Oh, brother, I tell you, yo, better be one mosquito, dog. You see, I can't believe, say, yeah, one of the man them, the next gen them in our business, and you make the man them carry goat on stage, just up goat, bro. Like a woman. You understand? Like woman, bro. I carry goat beside her, we're full of we rank a piece and all of them look a thing there, bro. You understand? Beside you and you for sure your people them, your bodyguard them, make that man pass with the goat. Eh? You did your laugh. Brother, me tell you, yo. Brother, yeah. I don't know. Something wrong with him, people. May I tell you that? May I tell you? But, people, big up on yourself, you know. Don't know media facts, you know. Yeah, man. Stay safe out there, you see me? Yeah, man. One media facts, man. You know, I think said, that is it.